Hello learners, today we will first complete the exercise 2. Tick the appropriate articles in the brackets to complete the sentences. First one, already we had completed it yesterday. Again revise it. Harsha was a just king. He found an. This is the pen. I want to be a. The egg cost ₹50 a dozen. I met Harish the other day. We will be going to the Alps this vacation. The Earth is the only planet. They appear to be in a hurry. She is a liar. There is not an ounce. Omission of articles. The articles is usually omitted before proper noun. Mahendra Singh, example, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. We can't say it the Mahendra Singh Dhoni, okay? Plural nouns. When such nouns denote a class, like children love ice cream. Okay, so before plural noun also we can't use articles. Family relation. Family relation, when noun depict family relation with respect to the speaker because they are used like proper noun in such situations. Example, father loves to play cricket. Mother is planning to go to the market. With abstract noun also we can't use articles. Names of games. Okay. Language or branches of knowledge, like with science, French, Hindi, we can't use articles. Names of meals, names of diseases, names of days, months and season. In headlines, messages, email, we can't use articles. Common nouns when they denote institution in general. These all are given in your textbook. Examples, we can add the before Mahendra Singh Dhoni if we write Shlok is the Mahendra Singh Dhoni of our team. We can't write the Mahendra Singh Dhoni captain of our team, but we can write it Shlok is the Mahendra Singh Dhoni of our team. Here we attach special meaning to the proper name, okay, which in this case is captain. Similarly, we can add the before plural nouns like the children love ice cream. Abstract nouns, the honesty of the poor boy helped him to get a job. Names of games, the cricket that they played was flawless. Here we used the before this plural noun, abstract nouns, name of games, but note it, the can be added only if we particularize the noun. If it is specific, then only we can use the. We do not use articles with these phrases given in your textbook. See here, point number 12, to take to heart, from head to foot, to take part, to take interest. Okay, many examples given in your textbook. Do not use articles with the phrases given here, by plane, by train, in trouble, at times and so on. Many examples given here. See in your textbook. Insert articles wherever necessary and rewrite the sentences. Have you told him about accident? Have you told him about the accident? Okay, here accident is the, we are talking about a particular accident, so we have to use the. Children of village enjoyed game. Children of village enjoyed the game. Honesty is best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Intelligence of captain help team to come out victorious. Intelligence of the captain help team to come out victorious. Mother is waiting for you in library. Mother is waiting for you in the library. If we want to specify anything before that noun, we have to use the. Repetition of articles. When articles are repeated in a particular sentence, it indicates something. I have a red and pink dress. I have a red and a pink dress. In sentence, a single dress is referred to. In sentence B, two dresses, one red, another pink are indicated. Thus, when two or more adjectives qualify the same noun, the articles is used before the first adjective, and as in example A. Again, when two or more adjectives qualify different noun, articles is used before each noun, as in sentence B. Here are few examples. Shakespeare was a great poet and dramatist. The adjective great poets and dramatists qualify Shakespeare. The board comprises of a great poet and great dramatist. The use of a before individual adjectives indicate that the sentence refer to two persons. Okay, here because of two persons, great poet and dramatist. So we have to use before both, we have to use A. Correct the given sentences and rewrite them. First one, French is the easy language. Then what will come? E here is vowel. So what we have to write? French is an easy language. What we have to write? French is an easy language. How blue a sky looks. What will come? How blue the sky. You are the wise to say that. You are wise to say that. Cut the. Okay. Jane had two dresses, red and green one. Jane had two dresses, a red here, a red and a green one. I am the Indian at heart. I am an Indian. What will come? An Indian. I am an Indian at heart. My favorite flower is an rose. My favorite flower is the rose. I want to enroll in a university in US. What will come? I want to enroll in a uni. It is right, beta. Okay, Anne is there in your textbook. See, I want to enroll in a university in US. The committee has two members, doctors and engineers. What will come? Committee has two members, a doctor and an engineer. E here because engineer is vowel, so you have to use an. We have a hour. Here in place of a you have to write an. Okay, before, because H is silent. Vowel sound is there, so we have to use an. The honesty is a great virtue. Cut honest. The honesty is a great virtue, and sincerity is always appreciated. Cut and. Sincerity is always appreciated. Before abstract noun, we have to omit articles. She has the interest in singing. She has an interest in singing. Fill in the blanks with articles a, an or the wherever required. Mother went to the market. Mother went to the market. Special market we are talking about, then the will come. With a big bag, shopping bag, she went by car. Cut here. And crossed the Red Fort. Particularize, then the will become here. She saw a camel pulling a cart and many tourists were clicking its photo. She soon returned home. Second one, Chandigarh. The will not here. Chandigarh is the capital. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana and Punjab. It has many industries and is close to many hill stations. The Karwa headed to the east and soon crossed the Thar desert, and it reached the fort, which had a big entrance gate. The fort was built by Mughal during Akbar reign. Cross. the manager of the bank. Okay, so here also bank is also, we have specify anything that we have to use the bank in our building announced that a new scheme would be launched soon. A person could open launched soon. A person could open an account easily, and the bank employees would help him with the paper work so that he did not have to run around. Tick the correct sentences. What a surprise! It is nice to see you. Which one is right? What surprise? It is nice to see you. Which one is right? Then what a surprise! It is nice to see you. First one is right. He ate the breakfast at the restaurant. He ate breakfast at a restaurant. So here he ate breakfast at a restaurant. The old man went to the museum with his friend. A old man, it is wrong. Will not come here. So first one is right. The old man went to the museum with his friend. The petrol is sold by the liter. The second one, petrol is sold by the liter. The petrol will not come. So second one is right. Petrol is sold by the liter. Rewrite the following sentences after correcting the error. Lion is ferocious animal. Lion is a ferocious animal which lives in the dense forest. Rohan is most intelligent boy. Rohan is the, okay, when we are particularize anything, the will come. Rohan is the most intelligent boy in class, not in the class, in his class. So particularize, so we have to use the. And he plans to go to the, here the will come, to the United States of America for higher studies. Harder we work, luckier we get. The harder we work, the luckier we get. Early breakfast will be served because all have to leave for work. Omit here the. Okay students, I hope you all understand. Thank you.